this tech tip video, we will talk about the Annotate tool functionality. This functionality is available through the tool manager. To access it in my tool manager, you just have to click Excalibur, Annotate tool. As you can see, Vericut automatically generated dimensions for your tool assembly, such as your tool diameter, your drill angle, your flute length, your tool stick out, and your overall length of your tool assembly. If you want, in addition to these dimensions, you can also add your own dimensions. To do that, I would just create an annotation plane, and then I'm going to use from tool profile. Tool profile is a 2D profile that Vericut generates of all your CAD models that can be used for in the Excalibur functions. So in my case, I want to take from this line here, which is going to give me the dimension of that component, and I can move it around. So if I go back to my views, now these dimensions can all be moved. It can be edited with the rotation text, or add a prefix, add a suffix to them. You can flip the arrow. Now if I cancel my run 2 and cancel this, now I can save this new image, this newly created image. I also like to use the feature history dimension, so you can identify different components of your tools. Notice that the name of that the text used for that dimension is the same as the one used in your tool definition. Once these dimensions have been added, again, I'm going to need to save my annotation image. In addition to that, this annotation image can also be used in conjunction with the section views. So if I were to go to View, Section, add a new section, you see that I have options here. Here I have all my holders section and not my tool. You can select to have all your components, all your cutters, or all your holders. You can also add a different second section, sorry. So you can define wedges or not. I like wedges. In this case, it makes more sense. So I'm going to use that. Go back to the view. Now, if I wanted to have these the dimensions I created with my annotated image with this section view, you can do it. You just have to go Excalibur, Annotate tool again. You see all the dimensions that were created before are now overlaid on the view of your section tool. Now again, you can save that tool. Once you've created all these annotated images for all your tools, you can go into Report and generate reports out of this. Reports will look like this. So you see here, I have a report with all my tools dimension properly ready to go for the shop floor, for the operators, so they can know how to assemble your tools. That's it. If you want to learn more about this functionality, read your Vericut help, or you can contact support at 1-949-753-1050.